Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Outdoor Couple. This is Steve, your host, and today I'm taking you to Hidden Valley Lake, my home lake in California. I started fishing Hidden Valley Lake in July of 2021. I actually learned how to use finesse presentations like the drop shot and Ned rig on this lake. These presentations proved to be exactly what the fish wanted, and from July of 2021 through February of 2022, I landed many bass. Many of them were over 5 pounds, and my personal best was 10.5 pounds. But that all changed this spring and summer. Everything that I threw at them last year that worked so well did not work at all this summer and spring. In fact, I started thinking that the bass population was in trouble, or maybe the lake's conditions were a problem. And the fact is, there's nothing wrong with this lake, and the bass are there. I can see them on my graph. They're just not biting what I'm putting in front of them. So this morning I'm equipped with 4 rods, drop shot, I got a jig on one rod, I got a Ned rig on another, and then I got a Senko wacky rig set up on my last rod. Now, I can fish the Senko in shallow water, and I probably will begin with that because I know that there's bass shallow. They're small, but I do catch them, and every once in a while I've been able to put a 1 or 2 pounder in the boat. So come along, let's see what we can do. Better than nothing. There you go. 10 incher. Oh, here's a bass in there. Holy shit. Yeah, man. I'm 2.5 hours in on this fishing trip, and I've got 3 little bass to show for it. I'm getting to the point where I'm just going to keep working the shore around and maybe, I don't know, call it a day. So after another hour and a half, I decided to call it. I think I'll fire up a cigar and pedal my way back to the truck. On the way back across the lake, I notice on the graph packs of bass, like, I don't know, 6 to 10 fish in each little school, like moving across points, and they're all working in water about 25, 35 feet deep. So I decide to stop and give it a try. I've been catching small bass on that wacky rig Senko, and there's no way to fish that bait 25, 30 feet deep. So I decided I'm going to rig it a different way. I take that off the wacky hook and I retie it up so I can get down to the bottom with that same bait. I figure if the small ones are biting it, so will the big ones. And it was about on my third cast this happened. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is a good fish. Oh my god, it's a toad. It's a giant. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. That's a decent fish. Look at that one. Huh? Look at that. That's a decent fish. It took all morning, but we got him. Finally. Got a decent fish. Alright, I'm going to let him go now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Another one. Come on. Oh, this is a good fish. Oh, it's a good fish. Come on. There he is. Oh, nice. Nice. All right. Here we go. It's not a bad one. Look at that fish. That's a good one. All right. Number 2. A few more casts and I was ready to hang it up. You know, some days all I need is 1 or 2 good fish to make it a day, and this was definitely a day to be made. I got past what I needed to get past. I can use the same bait in a different presentation, and it would make all the difference in the world to those larger fish, and it did. It proved itself today. So I'm going to head back in. I talked to Brenda earlier. She's going to meet me on the beach, so enjoy the song as we head in. Talk to you later. Thank you all for joining me today on Hidden Valley Lake. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm going to go in now and meet Brenda at the shore, but stay tuned to Outdoor Couple. We have lots of hunting and fishing videos coming up this winter. We'd like to have you attend all of them. Thanks again.